Alright guys, so we got this 2019 Toyota RAV4, okay? So this is the 19 model. As you can see, it has a new facelift. The whole vehicle has been redesigned. It's completely different. And we're going to be replacing the turn signals. We're going to be taking it from this to this. So the bulbs we're going to be using are the Lasfit T7440s. These are going to be single filament bulbs in amber. And I'll show you why. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this vehicle is very easy. It's less than 5 minutes to do both sides. And all it is just right here, okay? It's right behind the actual headlight or under the bar right here, the sport bar. You can see right here, my thumbs are holding already. Just twist, pops out really easily. And as you can see, we already have the bulb in here. So when you pull out the original bulb, which is over here, on the bulb itself, there's actually imprint that says 7444. It means it's a dual filament bulb. And you can also tell it's a dual filament bulb due to the fact that it has 2 pins on it. So let me get one of them real quick. So as you can see, there's 2 pins. And that's what gives you the function of the dual filament, okay? So the reason why we're putting a 7440 single filament is because if you look at the actual plug itself, there's only 2 contacts, okay? There's a power and ground. The third one is not in here, which will give you the effect of the dual filament. So just because of this, you can tell that it's a single filament bulb, okay? If you try to put a dual, nothing's gonna happen. It'll only flash when turn signals are active. It won't have any other function to do. So pretty much that's all there is to it. You just pull out your original bulb, pop in your new one, and you're good to go. These are the T7440s in pure amber because it's a single filament bulb. That's all you're gonna get out of it. And they are polarity sensitive. So if you connect it one way and it doesn't work, simply disconnect the bulb, flip it. Let's see if we can do it. So you disconnect it, flip it over, and reconnect, okay? But I already know it works this way. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I'll activate it real quick just so you can show you that it works. Just like that, you pretty much have completed the installation. You just put it back into the socket. Line it up and lock it in place. And you're good to go. Same thing for the passenger side. You'll be doing the same thing. It's in the same position. So it'll be just right under here. Just reach under it, turn it out. And same thing, pop out the bulb, put in your new one, and reinstall. So guys, if you like this, leave us a comment. If you need any help finding what bulbs you need for your specific vehicle, feel free to contact us through our social media or our website directly or Lasfit support emails, and we'll help you out with that. So we're working on this 2019 Toyota RAV4. It's a hybrid model, XLE, and we're going to be replacing the turn signals on this vehicle. And we're working on the rear now. The brake lights cannot be replaced because they're already LED from factory, but the actual turn signals are still stock halogen bulbs. Okay. And they will be the 7440s, okay? These only have one function, and they only turn on when the turn signals or hazards are active, okay? So we're gonna get started and show you how to get these replaced. All right guys, so to access the actual tail light, you have to remove this cover that's right here. So all you do is put your fingers in the back and just pull out straight, okay? Just like that. And then it's held on by 2 10 millimeters. Just get that in there. Okay, just like that. And at this point, what you're gonna do, just hold, put one hand here, the other one on the side, and just pull back straight, okay? Just like that. You can wiggle it as you're pulling to release it, but it shouldn't take that much, and careful, don't try to take it with you. As soon as you start feeling it loosen up, keep your distance. Try to make sure you don't pull all the way out because it is still tied together, okay? Your brake light's already LED, so you can't replace this. And then your turn signal is right here. You can twist that, pop it out. And same function, just like the front. It's a dual filament bulb. It'll say 7444, which is a dual filament, but it only has 2 cables, so it'll only have one function, which is on and off. All right guys, so we already pulled out the bulb. Very simple, just pop it out. You're gonna get your new bulb, which is gonna be the Lasfit T7440s in amber. Okay, and all you gotta do is just stick it in place. Just like that, okay? And these are polarity sensitive, so make sure you test it before you put everything back together, because you don't want to find out that you tighten everything up and then the light doesn't even light up. So currently I have the hazards on, but it's not lighting up, so that means it's wrong. All you do is pull it out, flip it over, reconnect it, and there you have it. At this point you can reinstall. And just like that, you complete the installation. So just make sure you realign it, this tab right here with the notch. Okay, make sure you line that up when you're putting it in, and also line up your 2 guides right here as well. It's gonna go into that one right there. All right, so all you gotta do now at this point is just put back your bolts. Make sure you tighten them down. Don't over tighten. You don't want to break them. As you see, they're plastic, so don't damage that. Once it's tight, it's tight. Just leave it there, and make sure you put your plate back on as well. Okay, and you're gonna be doing the same procedure on the other side. All right, so real quick, for showing a quick comparison, that's the LED bulb in there, the T7440 in amber. Okay. And this is going to be the halogen. So you can see the light on the LED is more intense. So at night it's going to be much more brighter compared to the halogen. So let's continue and finish this car up. Guys, pretty simple vehicle to work with. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.